Welcome to your 5-minute walk at home. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll move, we'll smile. No equipment, no pressure. Just some fun, easy moves as we beat stress together. So if that sounds good to you, lace up and let's go. Let's start by marching in place. As we're marching, let's shake off anything that feels stiff or tight. A quick note, I'm not a healthcare or fitness professional. Kindly check the disclaimer in the description below. Join me as I sneak in a few shoulder rolls with some calf stretches going on my tippy toes. And let's meet back in March. For our walk today, it's really important that we're smiling. Our big best smile on, even if it's a fake one to start with. More on that later. For our first move, let's start with some front kicks. As always, remember to meet your body where it is at today. So, even if your kicks look like this today, that's totally fine. And if you're feeling it, join me as we add in punches with the opposite arm. With each move, imagine punching and kicking your stress far, far away. Let's do 2 more of these. And the last one. Let's meet back in March. Smiling and laughing, even if it's forced at first, is supposed to help lift our mood. For our next move, let's do a quick tap at the back and then lift our knee up. Other side. A quick tap at the back and lift your knee up. So we are doing a quick tap, knee lift. With each rep, imagine letting go of the tension and lifting your spirit up. 2 and 1. Last set. And let's meet back in March. Did you know laughter club and laughter therapy is actually a thing? For our next move, we're going to skate from side to side. As you're gliding, remember to adjust the length of your stride to meet your body where it is at. And if you're feeling it, feel free to add a hop. I will be just gliding from side to side today. As we're gliding, think of a happy place, a happy moment, a happy memory that brings peace to you, a smile on your face, and soak it in, savor it. Mine is a nice long walk on the beach. Do share yours at the end of the video in the comments. I would really love to know. And 2 and 1. Let's meet back in March. I hope you feel the endorphins, the feel-good hormones doing their magic. Now, we're going to repeat the entire circuit one more time. So, let's start with the kicks and add in the punches. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in March. And now, let's do the step back and the knee raise. How are you feeling? Did you let go of some of the tension? Are your spirits a little bit higher than they were when we first started? This is our last one. And let's meet back in March. And now, back to our favorite move, where we're going to visit our happy place at the end of our walk together. Do remember to drop in the comments what that happy place, that happy moment, that happy memory was. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in March. Let's start cooling down. In this video here, I share Another 5-minute walk at home. No equipment, no squats, no lunges. And in this video here, I shared another 10-minute walk at home with some punches. I hope to see you there. Thanks for walking with me today. Keep walking, stay active. Bye-bye.